How to reset your Snapchat password without email or phone number. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you need to recover your Snapchat password and don't have access to your email or phone number, don't worry. I'll guide you through the steps to recover your Snapchat account. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open your web browser on your mobile device or any device you're using. Go to support.snapchat.com. Click on the first link that appears in the search result, and this will take you to the Snapchat support page. Select I can't access my account. Since you have forgotten your password, choose the I forgot my password option. Snapchat will usually provide a link to reset your password through email or phone number. However, since you do not have access to those, so for that, scroll all the way down and click on Contact Us option. Tap on it. Then tap on this option of click here to contact our support team. You will now see a form to fill out. Enter your username in the provided field and then enter your current email address. Make sure that the email address is active as Snapchat will use it to contact you. In the description section, explain your problem. After filling out the form, click on the Submit button highlighted in black color, and your request will be sent to a Snapchat support team. Please wait for their response, and they will get in touch with you via email or phone number you provided and guide you through the steps to recover your account. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.